Next 12 months, what are we looking forward to in the next 12 months? Well, a big part of this is what I'm going to talk about with regarding composable applications. So it's really around the further appification of our solution offerings. So specifically in banking and higher ed, where we are going much deeper than we've ever gone. So again, this is a big difference to delivering a platform. It's still quite a big difference from delivering a platform with templates. And so some of you might be thinking, oh, it's just templates, and it's really not templates. It's taking full end-to-end responsibility for processes. And we'll give you an example of how we do that in banking, because we think that it's a good model for a lot of our partners to be following. We're focused on building out our global support centers and technology teams. We are hiring literally all over the globe right now. I'm very excited about that. As Alan showed, so again, I know there are a lot of customers out here that are on our ProcessMaker 3 platform and have not yet migrated, and that's fine. We have been slowly reaching full parity. So from a new customer standpoint, we reached full parity quite a while back, but from an existing customer standpoint, where there are very small features that you might feel you need in order to think about deploying or migrating to ProcessMaker 4, we've been working on that. And so that is something we continue to work on, and we're really there. You can see, if you're familiar with the other platform, you can see basically everything you were used to and so much more, because again, the engineering in the new platform is literally light years ahead of what we were doing before. That's exciting. And the other thing we recognize is that if you are on the older platform, you're saying, well, what do I do? Well, we have begun providing some migration pathways. We're taking customers in chunks. So first we were focused on getting the new product out, which means it's really for new customers. And so many of our customers are happy on our existing platform and are already delivering great business value that there's no rush to migrate. We have not announced any sort of end of life for that platform, and we wouldn't think of doing that until we have a clear migration pathway. So for those on the current platform, that really will become a focus as we move into 2022. We've developed some of those initial tools. We've tried some of those initial tools, and we're developing a number more of tools for that. We are continuing to build both open source and enterprise tooling to more easily create business component-based offerings. Again, this will get into this idea of prepackaged business capabilities. And I stress the word open source and enterprise because, again, our open source is extremely active. And the newer open source, again, you'll now see everything on GitHub. Everything that we do in the core is released, and we've got some pretty interesting and large entities that are now beginning to work on that as well. So we're really excited about that. And then for our own use and for our OEM and white label partners, you saw Daniel Ryan's talk about how we're managing multi-tenant deployments, and we're really excited. That was a pretty big project for us. We've developed this great management layer that allows you to run a business at scale with many different types of apps that you may have to deliver to your customers. And so that's something we're continuing to build out, continuing to work on. Lots of considerations there around versioning, publishing, maintenance. So that's something that's built into the way we deliver our solution and applications on top of our solution. And so we believe we can really support our OEMs and white labels quite well.